Welcome back to another one with your girl Empress. And today we're going to do another unboxing, but guys, it's a little bit different. Today we're doing a perfume, and this one is called Versace Bright Crystal. And guys, my daughter is with me because she said, Mommy, I want to be a camera girl. And you know, I'm going to say, yes, this is my girl. She's going to help me. But guys, before we go any further, make sure you guys go and check out your girl content. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also, your girl got a website. Make sure you go over there and scroll through. Hit the merch button. Support your girl. The Buy Me a Coffee link is also there, and so is a membership. Guys, go and check it out. I promise you won't be disappointed. So let's move forward, guys. Yes, again, like I said, this is the Versace Bright Crystal. And I bought this so that I can wear this to work, guys, because again, of course I want to smell good when I'm at work, but I don't want to use my more high-end ones. So I bought this. Let's go ahead and see what this smells like or what is in there. All right. That to the side. Let's see what's in this. And wow, okay, comes in a nice little bag here. I like that. And it's black and gold. Okay. All right. Not bad. Put a little satchel on it. Okay, this is a nice little bag, guys. You know how we ladies can find things to put this in? We definitely can. We can definitely find something to put in this bag. I might as well take this off. I don't need that anymore. We can find something to put in this, right? We can either do our makeup or a little toiletries, whatever. We always have something that we can put in these cute little bags, okay? I know I have a few of them already. I don't really wear makeup, but I do have a few makeup things and I can put it in there, so yeah. So let's go ahead and look and see what is in this little package. Okay, stuffy Versace. All right, this is a Versace body lotion. All right, put that there, get rid of that. Let me use this. Versace bath and shower gel, guys. So as you guys can see, it is one of those sets. And those are the two items that are in the first part. Let's see what's in the next part. This is actually a pretty big bag for a perfume set. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So I gotta take the hair thing out. There's nothing else in here. Oh, okay. Yeah, Versace Bright Crystal. And this looks like it's 3 ounces. And there's another zip here, but there is nothing in there. This is a pretty big bag, guys. So yeah, you could definitely use this for something. And trust and believe, I will. I will use it if one of my daughters don't take it first. But yes, guys, this is all that comes in the bag. This is the Versace Bright Crystal perfume. This is the shower gel, and this is the body lotion. Guys, I don't really use perfume set when it comes to like the lotions and the body wash and stuff like that. I don't use those things because I have very highly sensitive skin. So I have specific lotions and stuff that I use. So I don't use those. So those would definitely go to my daughters. But this, I definitely want to try and see what this smells like. It's my first time trying it so that I can use this for work. It smells good. I can say, guys, that I was smelling this through the box. Like the smell was radiating through the box. So that means it's strong. I just hope it lasts all day. I work really long hours and I want something to keep me smelling fresh all day. But it's okay if I have to refresh. It's fine. I have no issues with it. But I at least want it to last for a few hours. So let's see. Okay. All right. That smells good. Let me let my little friend here. Okay, so you like it? So I got a stamp of approval. She likes it. Smells really good, guys. So make sure you guys go to Macy's. They're having friends and family sale right now. You get 15% off, guys. 15% off right now with our friends and family sale is what they have going on. So go over there. It's for your beauty and fragrances. Go over there and go check it out. Go buy yourself a gift, guys. So this is what I got today is the Versace Bright Crystal perfume, the body shower gel, and the body lotion. So make sure you guys go see what they have. You might find a few goodies. If not, I think this will go until maybe the end of the month, if I'm not mistaken. So you definitely can go back and go see if you can find something on your next trip around. But yes, guys, again, this is the unboxing with your girl Empress, and your girl will definitely see you in the next one.